I am disengaging the
airbag?
chips. Yeah, the airbag from the thing. But I don't want to break this, so when you do it, yeah, so when you do it, you want to be as gentle as possible not to break these tabs, because then you're gonna have to go to the dealer. And then so once you do that, yeah, you want to disconnect your ground.
Which be gentle.
There's a little tab.
Okay.
So when you do that, you want to make sure you push down that. Yeah. And there you go. And that's it.
Okay, there you go.
And then there's 3 springs on the steering wheel.
Oh, I see.
So they're right here. There's one here, and one here. This is probably going to be your easiest one.
Yeah.
And these two things are the pain in the ass. Yeah. So when you do it, you're gonna go from the bottom. On this one, you go from the bottom, you push it up and it releases it. On this one, you go sideways like this and it releases it. Same with this. You push it that way and it releases.
Gotcha. And there you go. So here's the OEM steering wheel. Here's the aftermarket. Now, as you guys can see, that looks amazing, especially with these seats and the new seats I'm gonna be getting. That is gonna match up so well with the carbon fiber and the red on the inside. Woo!
Yeah, it's a big difference.
Oh shit, damn, that looks clean. Get out. Oh, you're good.
Get out. Put it in the wrong hole.
That's what she said again.
She likes it though.
She likes it? Ooh, freak. Freak. Alright, y'all, check this out, man. This is the OEM wheel. This is the new wheel. Dude, that looks, oh my gosh, that looks like, yeah, that looks,
it's night and day.
Yeah, that looks super gangster. Yeah, that's, woo. Alright guys, so last thing, we got the steering wheel in. Now what we do is just attach everything again and put the airbag back inside.
So before you put the airbag in, make sure that you re-engage these clips.
Yep.
Just like that.
The 2 clips.
And that's it. Make sure you put the ground wire back on. You plug here. Make sure you reconnect it down here. Oh, the other thing, guys, when you are replacing your steering wheel, when you take this, once you disconnect everything and you go to take this nut off, your steering wheel tends to get stuck. So when you are pulling it out, make sure you have somebody else to help you take it out, because you don't want to rip this unit out when you take out the steering wheel. So if you rip this unit out, your car is going to throw a bunch of codes. You're going to have to go to the dealer. They're going to have to replace this part. It's pretty costly, and if you don't have the money, they're going to screw you. Yeah. So just when you change your steering wheel, be very, very cautious of not ripping this part out. Okay, and then here we go.
You just pop it in.
That's it. When you hear the click.
Yeah, there's one more clip, I think.
Nope, they're all in.
Damn, that thing looks sexy, dude.
Yep, so the next step is to reconnect the battery. Yep. Make sure that we're not throwing any codes.
Yeah, see, I like how all this like kind of matches together like that. Like that.
Yeah, this really, this really helps tie into this.
That's what I said, like everything kind of goes now. Yo, this thing is so sick. Dude, this feels like magic, man. Look at this. Look at this. Woo! Damn. Alright, so we're working on the front lip. So far it's looking good. I really like the red. You guys already know. You guys already know. I love the red accents. So I'm definitely feeling this front build right here. One more time, y'all, go ahead and follow the man Lombardi_WRX19. He's the one on the previous video with the swaggy WRX in the back. But now we're going ahead, working on the Babe's WRX over here. Make sure you go ahead and follow her. I think it's Stargirl_WRX. I'm trying to remember everybody's pages, helping out. Be trying to help out a little bit. Y'all already know that's a unicorn over there in the back. Next, we got the front lip done. This is actually paint, it's not tape. Really like the quality of that. Wish it was done when I was getting my WRX, but if you guys want a super clean lip, you can go ahead and check this one out. Go ahead and check out Burns Auto. Burns Auto is where we got the kit from, and let's get back to it. Peace. All right, y'all, so we got the steering wheel on. The alignment slightly just this far off, but I have to say, man, it looks amazing, man. I love how this looks, guys. Look at this, man. It feels great. The grip is awesome. I love the back grip right here. Showing you guys just kind of a little bit of how it feels driving. Overall, it's really comfortable. Love the grip. So I want to do some driving so you guys can see exactly how I like the steering wheel. First impressions, guys, absolutely love this steering wheel. It just seems very easy to hold. I'm really happy about the purchase. No regrets at all. I actually wish I did this earlier, and I have to say this is awesome. This is absolutely awesome. I know a bunch of people are always checking out the car, but now being on the inside, I really want to bring out more of the inside, build up the inside a little bit. I got the carb in here and kind of just everywhere, so really want to do a good job as overall with the car. I do have to get an alignment done. The alignment's slightly off. Like, this is straight, and that's where it needs, you know, this is where it's at right now. That's where it's gotta go. So the alignment is slightly off. I'm gonna take it to my alignment guy this week. But overall, man, I love this steering wheel. So I'm gonna put the windows down a little bit. Show you guys a little bit of the driving. But man, this steering wheel is so sick, man. Look at this. Shout out to my sister. She's actually in the process of building a really dope Jeep Wrangler right now. I gotta say, I really like these cars. This one's dope. It's like black with black. I really like that. But yeah, props to my sis. Sis, if you're watching this, that's a dope Jeep Wrangler right there. Super dope, super clean, super clean. Keep it up, keep working hard, and let's build you something that you love. Let's build your dream Jeep. Let's do it. Let's get to it. Alright, y'all, thanks for checking out the video. If you guys like the video, hit the like button. If you want to follow the journey, hit the subscribe button. And like I said, guys, keep doing the right things in life. Keep staying motivated, and let's get it.
For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way. For the record, ain't trying to link no